Hi guys, today we'll be discussing about how to make a marquee text into your web page or marquee within an image into your web page. So first of all, you have to right click on your screen and go to new and new text document. So write the name of the document is marquee text. Now start with the first tag, that is HTML, and the closing tag is slash sign followed by HTML. Go to the head of the document, and in head go to the title and write down the title, my first marquee text. This is the title of the document, and I have to close the head as well, followed by a slash sign. Now go to the body of the document. In body of the document, I will be finding the marquee text. So I will write marquee, it's a keyword, and I will write the marquee text here. Let's suppose I want to write welcome to my website, and then close the marquee tag. Save the file, go to file, save as, and marquee text.html so that it would display in your browser. Close it, double click here, and your text is moving from left to right. Now let's suppose I want to change this text from text to the image file. So what I will do is I will just have to write I will just open it in notepad, and just I have to write marquee direction equals to down, and I want to paste an image here, and my image is on the path here. Let me show you. Here it is. So I will copy this text, I will go here, I will write the tag image source equals to double quotes, paste paste the location of the file, and I will write one.png because the extension of this butterfly is in png format. Here it is. So I will save this file, and I will run the file. So here is your butterfly moving from top to down. Let's make another butterfly which will be moving from right to left, and the second butterfly name is, let's see what's the name of the second butterfly. It's 34. So I will write 34.png here with the direction is left. Save the file. You have to save it and run this file again, and you can see the marquee text from both the direction, from top to down and from right to left. That's all about today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.
And do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel Nelson Darwin PopTech and click on the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you.